Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of the object-oriented programming series, and topic for this video is extend constructors to receive arguments. The bird and dog constructors from last challenge worked well. However, notice that all the birds that are created with the bird constructor are automatically named as bird, are blue in color and have two legs. What if you want birds with different values for name and color? It's possible to change the properties of each bird manually, but that would be a lot of work. And we can do manual change like this. Suppose you were writing a program to keep track of hundreds or even thousands of different birds in an aviary. It would take a lot of time to create all the birds, then change the property to different values for everyone to more easily create different bird objects. You can design your bird constructor to accept parameters like this. Here, two parameters are passed and they which are saved here in these properties. Then pass in the values as arguments to define each unique bird into bird constructor. Let cardinal equal to new bird, and here we are passing the name and color. This gives a new instance of bird with the name and color properties set to Bruce and red respectively. The numLex property is still set to 2. The cardinal has these properties. So cardinal will have these values Bruce, red and 2. The constructor is more flexible. It is now possible to define the properties for each bird at the time of it is created, which is one way that JavaScript constructors are so useful. They group objects together based on shared characteristics and behavior and define a blueprint that automates their creation. Task for this challenge: create another dog constructor. This time, set it up to take parameter name and color and have the property numLex fixed at 4. Then create a new dogs saved in a variable terrier. Pass it two strings as an argument, name and color properties. In this case, we have a function dog. So let's use that and pass in name and color. Afterward, this dot name equal to name, this dot color equal to color, and this dot num legs equal to 2. Now we have created a dog constructor and given parameter name and color and have the property numLex fixed at 4. Sorry, I gave it 2. Then create a new dog in a variable terrier. Let terrier equal to new dog. Pass it two strings as an argument for name and color properties. Okay, so two arguments, tiger, color, let's call blue, and let's run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.